This is an ad. It's because in the winter, when I was really ill actually, I was offered a sauna, and the deal is I make a nice video about it. And do you know what? That is an absolute pleasure to do, because this sauna has been a revelation for me. I've long wanted a sauna here. I remember having sauna when I was in Finland. It was my first job. I was at au pair 1977, and they had a lot of saunas in Finland, and it was such a joy to go there most days and shoot out of the sauna and into the cold lake. And at first I thought, what is this? And yeah, it just was great. I felt so good after that. And it's a distant memory now, so it was so long ago. And then last winter, when I was really ill in hospital, and I had some friends come to see me, and they were giving me their recipe for how I was going to get better and lead a full life again. It was hard to imagine at that time, but here I am. But part of their formula was get a sauna, because they're so health giving. And what I've noticed from having it here, we've only been using it for a couple of months, is the wonderful way that you just switch off in a sauna, and almost like a meditation, and it kind of absorbs you, and you get re-energized through all of those things, mentally and physically, through the hot and the cold, and just feel amazing after it. And then my other concern with a sauna was, well, how much wood is it going to use? I love a wood-fired one. I don't really like the electric so much. So I said I'd like a wood burning stove, and to my joy, I've realised it doesn't need much wood. So one fill of the hod at the bottom of the stove takes the temperature right up to 80 degrees centigrade. It's quite a small, well insulated cabin. It's the Sarah sauna from Palmako, and you can see it's not huge. It looks nice in the garden. I wasn't sure whether it would be a bit of an eyesore, but actually it fits in so well that a lot of people visit here and they don't even notice it. So yeah, I think that's a good sign. And then it all arrived on a lorry, kind of flat packed, and a guy put it all up in a day and a half. And I forgot about the bindweed. I'll explain that in a minute. But yeah, it's a very compact, lovely sauna building, and we're going to have a go. You can see the fire's going really well. It hasn't yet had time yet to lift the temperature, but having said that, already in here it's 30 degrees centigrade, mid 80s Fahrenheit, and that is on a day when outside the temperature has been no higher than 21 degrees 70 Fahrenheit. We've had quite a cool summer's day here. So it shows how this room is holding heat already from the sun. It's got a almost south facing window, which is perfect, and gives us this lovely view of the pond and the wild area and the pyramid. 20 minutes, 15 even. Yeah, look at that. This is so rapid. 65 degrees from 30. So, and already there's plenty of wood to burn. So that one big load of wood is going to be enough for all I need this afternoon. And I just want to get some oil here. Nicola has made some special rosemary oil, and we'll put the recipe in the description. And the idea is we add it to the water here. So we just have a bit of water in the ladle to make steam. And one other thing I never thought about, when this sauna arrived, it was May time. Mad busy moment in the garden, and look at this. I never occurred to me that the bindweed would grow so vigorously through the floor even. And yeah, there's some really long pieces here. I'm not particularly worried about it. It's just quite funny actually. Indomitable bindweed.
It's an amazing opportunity what you're offering.
Yeah,
to teach on that level.
This endive that we're planting, this is frizzy endive, Wallone, and that one is Scarole endive, which we planted about 2.5 weeks ago, and that one is Chicory Floridicio. So this is all winter salads, or sorry, I should say autumn. These will crop from early to late autumn, right the way through autumn, all being well. Endive, it's incredible how it just grows and grows in often quite dark days, and when lettuce is not doing so much. And you can see I'm planting pretty deep. This is how I always do it, because it's so dry, and it will just really hold the moisture in. And watering it quite gently. They're quite small plants. I'll come back later and do another water.
Do you have any more? Is that all?
That's
Okay.
all. Yeah, it's good.
All right. I think this one didn't get. Oh, maybe it did.
Yeah, that one's a bit fragile.
Okay.
Okay, let's pop these back in the greenhouse.
All right.
Well, that's been a long day. I'm looking forward to this sauna. So, yeah, here goes. Can't wait. Oh boy. Do you like the bowl?
That's hot.
Yeah.
No, I think I'll leave that to you, Charles.
So, Heidi's a bit reticent about this stock tank. 6 foot long, really good measurement to soak into. And the water is, it must be below 20 degrees. We had a cold night actually last night. It was 9 degrees centigrade, 48 Fahrenheit. So the water cooled down nicely. But the reason Heidi's reluctant is it's full of mosquito larvae.